Assalamu guys, what's up? I hope today you will be fine and make a good day for you. So today I'm here with the new tutorial in which I'm going to tell you how to make this amazing, beautiful cut effect in Photoshop without any difficult techniques. Just using a simple drop shadow and using simple layers. So you have not to be difficult to make this. So let's start this. First of all, make a new document and remember the traditional style, traditional value 1920 by 1080. Send it to resolution. If you want to print it, then you have to make it 300 and the color mode RGB. And one thing more, if you want to make it to print it, then also use CMYK. After this, background content white. So let's start. Make a name what you want. I will leave it like this and okay. So here is our new document. First of all, go and pick the paint bucket tool. Select any of your color. I have already selected my color, so use it. After this, go to text and write a letter that you want here. So I will like to write cut. So I have this. Now after this, press Ctrl and make it in the center. Then after this, press Ctrl A to make a complete selection. Move tool. Then second last option at the upper level here. Then press Ctrl D to deselect. After this, what you have to do is just make a new layer. Make sure you have selected this, so your new layer come right above on it. After that, then again pick the paint bucket tool, paint it. Select the move tool and then select it like this here. So your half letter will be available. It will make it easy to make drop shadow here. So let's come to the drop shadow and then select the drop shadow, open it, make its size suitable of what you want. I will make it something here. Then the separate size, this distance, yes, you don't have to see this because it will give you a drop shadow, something more or other that what we want. You have to watch this area here. So we have done here, and now press OK. Then press Ctrl T to select it. After this, take it here and set it here, and then press enter. After this, make a duplicate copy of this by pressing Ctrl J, and then take it to upper level like this and set it something here, and then double click on drop shadow here, and let's change its drop shadow because it is on upper level, so we want to change it. And then make your size smaller here, separate. No, you have to make your size bigger, then separate it less, distance more. After this, again make this separate more less like here, so it will, and then press OK. So now it's showing the more shadow here and the less shadow here. That's what it make more clear to you that this is a cut, something is on it. You will also call it overlaying effect overlap lapping effects or cut effect, whatever you want, but our result is ready. You are able to use it anywhere. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for the more videos. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks.